Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to locate Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on Alarm section located at the top left corner. Before creating your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right corner and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you finished, go back and create your alarm by tapping on this button. Finally, set up an hour. Then click on the switcher next to repeat if you want for your alarm to ring more than once. And select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Wednesdays. And maybe Fridays. Now click on Ringtone, tap on Add New at the top, and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song and going back. You can also click on one of those ringtones instead, like Omega. Now tap on the switcher next to vibration to disable or enable this feature. Click on label. Label your alarm however you want to if you wish to. And click on OK in the pop-up. You can also tap on this switcher next to show weather. Click on Go to Settings. Then agree, turn on, and while using the app. When it's ready, tap on the back button. Then you can finally save your alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit, click on it. Then make your changes and click on the same check mark again. If you want to switch it off completely, select blue switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to, you can always delete one of your alarms by holding the chosen one and selecting this bin at the top right corner. Then, if you wish to, you can always delete all of them by tapping on multiple dots next to them. Lastly, tap on the same bin and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!